y'all can see back there. First of all, y'all wasn't supposed to be looking all up in my business anyways. See that your girl's eating snacks. Okay? I need y'all to step back and get out my business.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. No, you're not.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Style Luxe Shay, and today's video is going to be my everyday makeup routine. Now your girl don't wear makeup all the time or every day, but if I was, this would be my go-to. This video doesn't have any lashes for the girls who don't care about wearing lashes all that much or already have their lashes done. This is the perfect video for you. If you guys are interested in this look right here, this fire look that you see, keep on watching and don't forget to hit that like buttons for more videos from, and subscribe so you could be, you know, part of the crew, part of the Style Luxury Shay Baes, because we just elevated. Do you not see the setup? Do you not see the quality here? We went from Glam Shay to Style Luxe Shay. Turn on your notifications so every time I post, you'll be the one to know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I love you guys.
She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yeah.
Okay, so let's get right into the video. So I am using this Anastasia micro brow pencil in the color black. And what I like to do is like basically outline my brow with like stroking motions. I'm not going to be, you know, just drawing it on. You want to use a light hand because you can always add more, but it's harder to take away. Then I like to fill it in with the light hand. I know I sped the video up, but I took my time with that. Then I make these upward motions in the beginning of the brow to create like hair strokes to make them look natural. I like the natural brow, but your girl don't have many brows, so that's what I do. Then I take this flat shader brush and another Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. You can tell I love Anastasia. And I carve my brows out only at the bottom. I don't do the top. Then I pull the concealer down towards like my eyelids so that way once I put my foundation on, it will blend seamlessly. Then I go in with this buffing brush from Real Techniques and I blend away. Blending is key when doing your makeup so that way you have a seamless finish and stuff don't look like you just threw concealer here and contour there, because we do not need that. I then go in with this Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey to set my underbrow concealer. I use a patting motion. We do not want to swipe because when you swipe, you're basically rubbing off the concealer that you already placed. For foundation, I use Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Matte in the color 420. I love to shake it up before placing it on my face. I use 2 pumps and then I wipe the rest off on my chin. I then go in with the buffing brush. I don't remember where I got this. Actually, I do. I remember I got it at Marshall's, but I don't know the brand name. But if I can find it, I'll link it down below. And again, you want to pat the makeup in, but I'm also doing a little swiping, but not too much because I don't want to use a lot of foundation. But buffing and blending is really key because I still want to mimic skin. I was buffing that foundation in so much that my wrist started to hurt. But like I said, blending is really key to doing your makeup, and I wanted to make sure I didn't miss any spots and that it didn't look patchy. I used this e.l.f. concealer. It's a hydrating concealer, and I am going to highlight under my eyes on both sides and my nose and my chin and a little bit under my nose. Because we're putting on different layers of makeup, you don't want to use so much, so that's why you see me use a little bit. To blend the concealer out, I am using this Real Techniques stippling brush, and I am patting it in. The reason for patting your concealer in is so when we do our contour slash bronzer, they don't look like there's two different lines. You can see the different one. I can't say it, but you get what I mean. Then to blend out the concealer that's placed on my nose, I like to use this Real Techniques Dome eyeshadow brush because I need something smaller and precise so that way we keep the concealer in place and it's not all over. And yes, I am using a patting motion still. Now that we got that all blended out, I'm going in with this Real Techniques beauty sponge and that same Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Honey. And I'm just gonna place it wherever I put my concealer. Now for bronzer, I am using e.l.f.'s Putty Bronzer in the color Sunkiss, and I'm going to go in with a pencil eyeshadow brush to contour my nose. And I am doing a swiping motion because this is creamy enough to glide and because we're carving out our face, and I'm trying to get my nose really snatched. Now to carve out my cheeks, I'm using this Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm using that same bronzer, and I am going to carve out these cheekbones. I already have high cheekbones, so I just followed the guide of my bone structure. Now to dust off the setting powder that was on my nose, I'm using this Real Techniques buffing brush. I think it's actually a blush brush, but it is a fluffy brush, and you want to use a fluffy brush because it's light and it won't take too much off. And I'm basically blending my my highlighted areas with my bronzer areas. Now to set the cream bronzer, I'm using this Morphe bronzer in the color Deep and a tapered fluffy brush to go over the areas we bronzed. And I'm going in with this brush from Real Techniques. I'll have it listed in the description box. And I'm basically doing the same thing. I'm setting the bronzer with the powder. And then I'm also going in with that same powder with the fluffy eyeshadow brush to deepen the crease of my eyes to give it some shape. I want that cat eye. Now to blend our art piece all together, I'm just using this blush brush, and this is a bigger brush by Real Techniques, and I am just buffing everything in so there's no harsh lines or demarcation, and it just looks like my face but in perfection. Also, I didn't put any lashes on, so I just went in with this mascara from, I think, Marshall's. And for highlighter, I am using Fenty Beauty again, highlighter in the color What a Brat, and I love this. And I just went in with a small Real Techniques brush. Don't worry guys, everything's going so fast, but you see it. And then I went in with this NYX matte setting spray to set everything in place. Now for lips, I am using this Joan Auto eyeliner for my lips in the color Brown Black, and we are going for a 90s lip combo. You know, the infamous brown lip liner with a natural nude lip, but today we're going in with a nudish pink lip. I do overdraw my lips just a tad bit on one side. Yes, one side, I know. Because my lips are naturally uneven. One side is higher than the other on the top lip. But that's okay. That's what makeup's for. To, make everything even. For lip gloss, I'm using NYX Butter Gloss in the color Praline, and then I'm also topping it off with Pat McGrath's Sparkly Lip Gloss in pink. And that is the finished look.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance. body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.